A little bit about myself. I grew up watching the Jabwalkies, Quest Crew, IME, the Kinjas, all these dance crews. Specifically, the Jabwalkies. Actually, I remember watching them for the first time, and just being in like awe of like, just like amazed at what I just seen. And I remember at the end, when they take off their masks, right? As a kid, I recognized that most of them were Asian, and not even just that. I seen that some of them were actually Filipino, and that inspired me. I've like just being amazed at what I just seen, and then just seeing that it's Filipinos that be doing that can do that, and I was like, I was inspired like that. It sparked like a love and passion for just dance and hip hop culture, really. A little bit about my business. So JD Dance, in collaboration with local businesses, entrepreneurs, and creatives. JD Dance is a dance company based in Mississauga, Ontario. That's actually expanding across the Greater Toronto area. We offer dance classes, workshops, private and group lessons, and open studio space for dancers of all ages, levels, backgrounds. We are a safe and inclusive space where anyone can create, teach, learn, share, connect with one another. And yeah, that's JD Dance, established 2020. In 2020, I led the University of Waterloo Filipino Students Association, their dance team. I led their dance team. Actually, most of the team members that year weren't dancers before. They weren't actually dancers before, or they had little dance experience before. And it was amazing to see them go from like not really dancing like that, not really having that experience, to just completely just killing it on stage like twice. You know what I mean? So seeing that sort of growth and seeing the process and seeing them do their thing on stage, it inspired me, honestly. That was my inspiration. Like I seen that, and I was like, yo, right then and there, I was like, yo, I want to teach on a higher level. I want to teach dance on a bigger platform. That team inspired me. Basically, they were my inspiration to turn my love for dance, my love for teaching together into a career. And here we are. So shout out to UWFSA, that dance team last year. Oh, you know what? Knowing your target customers, that's huge too. That's a real big thing. Like if you might have a product that you're trying to sell, or you might have like a service that you're trying to offer, but like a real big question that you gotta like answer is like to who? You know what I mean? Like for who? Like who are you trying to sell this product to? Who are you trying to offer this service to? You know what I mean? So if you know your target customer, like it's gonna help you with your marketing. It's gonna help you with your operation. It's gonna help you with your product development. You know what I mean? Your service development. So yeah, knowing that who is real important, and that's definitely one of the top things. So. It's low-key a blessing that there are other successful dance studios and companies that are just out there doing their thing. You know what I mean? Like, and I can just sort of like kind of see from afar and just kind of watch what they do and see how they move and stuff. It's amazing too. I love seeing other dance studios, dance companies, be successful and do these big things, and it's dope. I love to see them eat. So another big resource that's definitely more personal to me is my friends. For real, just my friends, like my homies. Like I really just hit up my friends just like, hey yo, like, what you think about this? Or I'll be like, hey, how you think I should do this? Or I'll actually be like, hey, like, can you help me with this? Like, you know, like that kind of stuff. You know, if it's a marketing thing, like, I'll hit up my friends in marketing. You know what I mean? If it's a graphics thing, I'll hit up my friends in graphics. If it's a finance thing, I'll hit up my friends in finance. Sorry. And they just be helping me too, because, you know what I mean, my friends are dope like that. You know what I mean? Shout out to y'all. Shout out to all my homies that, you know, really, that have been helping me out with JD Dance and really supporting me and all that. Appreciate y'all. Honestly, it's the blessing of like just sitting back and watching all these people and their businesses just grow and just prosper and just get up there. Like it's super dope, honestly. Like it's a great thing. And I love to see it. I love to see these people, especially like my homies too, especially like my friends that are, you know, business owners and entrepreneurs. Like I love seeing everybody eat. I love seeing everybody do their thing, and you know, whether they're growing as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, or even just personal growth. It's dope. Like I love to see it. And I guess like another thing is just that I love is also just the opportunities to like connect and just collaborate with people, work with people. You know what I mean? I love collaboration. I love, you know, group projects, and I love you know, collaborative events and different stuff like that. You know, collaboration is a big part of like business for me. And trust the process, for real. Like just trust the process. Like it's like don't rush. All right, don't rush. Take your time. You know, take every step. You know, put in the work, of course, but you know, take your time. Don't rush. Right? You know, you're trying to start a business, doing something you enjoy, doing something you love. Take your time and trust the process. All right, the planning, the experimenting, the messing up, the collaborating, you know, the marketing, all the stuff that's part of it. Like you gotta trust in it. Okay, don't try to rush the results. Don't try to rush to get all these customers. Don't try to rush to get all these sales. Like just do you. You know what I mean? Trust your own process. Trust your own work. Trust your craft. Trust your work ethic. And everything's gonna sort itself out. All right, you keep it moving. You trust the process, and you gonna eat. You know, trust me. I believe in y'all. Y'all got this.